Are you a beauty lover, or are you buying for a beauty lover this season? Don't worry, I got you covered with my gift recommendations. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking beauty gifts. If you missed my part 1, it's up already. Check the info section below. You can easily click over there after you're done watching this one, and it features more skincare, self-care items, whereas this one is all about let's get beautiful, let's get glam, and just different holiday items that I'm absolutely loving this season that are beauty themed. I also have my iced tea in a disco ball. In my last video we did hot cocoa, but I don't drink alcohol, so tea in a disco ball will have to do to get into the holiday mood. So let's start off this video by talking about the makeup I'm wearing. I'm wearing this collection from Per Cosmetics. It is the Per Barbie Cosmetics. I have a whole tutorial, swatch video, everything. It's in the info section below. Click on it, check it out, because I cover the whole video. But I do want to share with you guys my favorite pieces from that collection I think are the most giftable. One thing that I thought was super adorable in this collection is that many of the products are already ready to be gifted. And some of them even feature ways to hang them on the tree. The packaging is already built in that you can just hang it on your tree, or put it in a stocking stuffer, or give it as a gift for Hanukkah, 1-2 days. I don't really know how that works. I know there's like 8 days. 7 days? 8 days. You give gifts each day. Nice little gifts go a long way. Of course, there's other items in the collection like skincare, also collectible more retro items like the Lit Mist that has a unique 1950s look to it. And of course, there's the palette, the blush, and even the brushes that you guys should check out for this holiday season. I know when I was a little girl, getting Barbie under the Christmas tree always brought a smile to my face, and now as an adult, Barbie Cosmetics from her, you know, getting some cosmetics, some Per Cosmetics times Barbie collection definitely would perk me up underneath my tree this holiday season. So check out the entire Per Barbie collection. They have everything, multiple different price ranges. They have everything, glitter, lipsticks with glitter tubes. It's a fantastic collection for anybody that loves Barbie, loves beauty, and wants to get glam this holiday season. Let's talk about something a little bit more low-key, and that is Eisenberg Paris. This is the Le Maquillage Perfecteur Instant Complexion Perfector. This product is amazing, hands down, especially since we're all wearing masks. We don't want to put on layers of foundation, concealer, corrector, powder. This is a great product because it really allows your skin to look matte and perfect from just one product. It's your skin, but better. Definitely feels powdery and soft on the skin while also hydrating. It's one of the best products that I've tried this year when it comes to just the no makeup look, or just an easy, quick makeup. This is definitely for the person in your life that likes makeup but maybe doesn't go too crazy with it. Great face product, universally flattering. Let's talk holiday gift kits. I am loving the kits from Wonder Beauty. This one, for example, is the Daydreamer Eye Essentials. I actually created this look right here. Very everyday glam look. It's glam, but it's everyday. If you just take off the liner, you can definitely wear this every day. Very easy to use. Comes with mascara, comes with highlight, comes with liner, comes with 2 liquid eyeshadows. It's a fantastic collection for $49, and like I said, you get to do your eyes, and let's face it, most of us are masking most of the time, so anybody you give this to can still get their makeup on, will not have to worry about doing the rest of their face. They also have the Baggage Claim Upgrade Gold Eye Mask, which is super luxe for the holiday season, or if you know somebody that just likes a little mascara, the mascara set is Itinerary Set from Wonder Beauty for eyes. Just a little bit of mascara goes a long way. I love that Wonder Beauty names all their little kits after travel. I mean, I know we're not doing a lot of travel, but it's nice to dream, and I like to play around with Wonder Beauty, and the sets are just so giftable, and they come with everything you need. You don't really have to buy a lot of companion or any companion products to go with these sets. We're going to come back around to skincare really quick, because skincare with your beauty routine is important. While the last video I did was about skincare in and of itself, let's talk about some skincare with beauty, and this Dermalogica set is amazing. First of all, it's super giftable and affordable. You get $159 worth of products for $110. This is for somebody that's serious about skincare and serious about doing their skincare AM, PM, and before their makeup routine. This set includes the C serum as well as the C eye serum, so it's good for maturing skin, anybody that has anti-aging concerns. But what I loved best about it was it contains origami instructions as well as a piece of paper to do some origami. So anybody that wants to create the little origami art on the front front can. It's very creative, it's fun, it's festive, and it gets that skincare box checked. If you're on a budget, you can still stock up on Dermalogica. They're $25. This is the Phyto Replenish Body Oil. Perfect for dry skin this holiday season. Great to gift to anybody that just needs a little bit more moisture on their skin. Could be anybody. I love a good moisturizing product. This is perfect for face, arms, elbows, ankles, anything. Gift it to yourself, gift it to a friend, a mom, sister, even men. It's perfect for everybody with dry skin. I love using this on my husband, so you can use it in a lot of different ways, and I'm not talking dirty, but I mean, because dry skin does not discriminate by gender at all. So this is a great way to give the gift of hydration this holiday season for $25, under the $50 budget. So I'm a lipstick lover, and I might be a little biased, but I think these sets from Buxom Cosmetics are perfection. There's a lot of different options. Great price point for these items. This is the Buxom. This is the Plumping Lip Set. You get 3 new shades exclusive to this set, you guys, and nothing I'm showing you here is over $40. This whole set, all of these lip glosses and lip pencils, $39. We also have the Powerful Prep and Powerful Prep and Party Duo, which includes a lip exfoliator that's kind of like dragon fruit. As you use it, little black seeds start to poke through, and it helps to exfoliate your lips and hydrate your lips. We have a little bit of mascara, make it double, so you get 2 mascaras for 1. Great for gifting to sisters, or if you just have 2 people you want to give them the same gift. Perfect to split it up or give as a gift to somebody who loves doing their mascara. Everybody's doing their mascara with the masking now. And also Feeling It, which is a plumping lip gloss duo. So a lot of ways to get plump, beautiful lips this holiday season and beyond. Just beautiful, hydrated lips because the season is rough. And I love the packaging. It's very sparkly, fun, and festive. We're going to stay in the lip family for just a minute because I want to tell you guys about IT Cosmetics Pillow Lips. I did a full review on these as well with swatches, but this is perfect for anybody that has dry lips, aging lips, wants plump lips, hydrated lips, very similar to Buxom, but I feel like this is more the gift for your mom, your grandma, anybody that's kind of like 30 and up is going to want pillow lips because they contain hyaluronic acid. 3 different oils to plump up the lips as well as collagen. There are different shades. Some are sheer, some are sheerer, some are more neutral tones, and some are opaque, but they don't feather, they don't bleed, they stay all day, hydrate the lips, and they just feel amazing, and they're great for travel. Check out IT Cosmetics Pillow Lips. They are available right now on itcosmetics.com. They will be available at Ulta in January, but you can pick them up at itcosmetics.com right now. This is one of the shades that I wore in a recent video, and I absolutely loved how soft it felt on my lips and how different my lips looked after I wore this product. It was like wearing skincare on the lips, but it still added that color and the beautiful look to my lips and made them look fuller and plumper without the tingle or the cooling feeling. Buxom is known for that, so if you don't want a cooling or tingling feeling, you can go for pillow lips. Last up, I have some fragrances and some other fun gifts from the Avon family of products. I have 2 perfumes for you guys that you absolutely will be loving to gift or receiving this holiday season. This is from the Artisan brand, and we have Cherry Vetiver, I hope I'm saying that right, as well as Santal Musk. This perfume smells like fresh cherries. It's very inviting, almost seductive, but definitely still a day scent. It doesn't fully become a night scent. It's definitely still very wearable. One of those scents that I like to mist into the air and then walk into it. Maybe not exactly on my pulse points, if you get me. And it's very feminine. Whereas Santal Musk is a little bit of a more citrus scent, a little bit lighter, definitely perfect for day wear. And excuse me for saying this, even a little unisex. It's got somewhat of an airy property to it, or airy, watery, light. So according to the boxes, the cherry one is supposed to smell like sweet cherries with smooth Haitian vetiver. I never know how to say that word. Captivating fragrance experience. I totally get that scent. Whereas Santal Musk has, ooh, this is hard to read, Indian sandalwood with magnetic white musk. I swear I smelled citrus, fresh water. I mean, perfumes smell different on everybody, but personally, I love these 2, and I mean, they look so luxe. Look at these beautiful boxes. Truly a luxe box, truly a luxe bottle, you guys. Great for the perfume addict in your life. Another offering from Avon this holiday season is the Violet Veil Holographic Lip Gloss. If you're buying for somebody that's maybe in their teens, tweens, I would wear this too. anyone. I mean, heck, I would wear this too, you guys. It's a beautiful holographic gloss that is pink and shifts to blue. Very soft. It's right here, you guys. Very soft shade and just has a little bit of subtlety to it, which is why I think it'd make a great gift for teens and tweens. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the holiday makeup applicator ornaments. They are so cute. They have the Avon logo on the front. You just pop them open. One is a snowman, one is a Christmas tree, and yes, these are makeup sponges for doing your makeup. I think these are great for budding makeup artists, anybody that just loves makeup, teens, tweens. Again, I would love these too. Anybody that loves makeup, this is the perfect find to just wake up to and see on the tree in the on Christmas morning. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my picks, my gift guide for the holiday season. I will have a few more here and there. You'll probably see them on my Instagram, but you may also see them here as well. And I promise I'll link below to this video so you can easily find them if you're watching this one and you do want to see more. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video from me. You can follow along as well on my blog at www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. And if you're on Instagram, you can check me out at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, or Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. I hope you guys have a healthy and happy holiday season and happy shopping. Thank you as always for watching.